guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So this video is basically solving these summary ranges. Okay, so you are given a sorted unique integer array and then return a small list sorted list of ranges that cover all the numbers in the array exactly. Thus each element of the number is covered by exactly one, and yeah, so basically. Okay, so maybe you just see an example, which is easy, right? So number is 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. You start from 0, 1, and 2. So basically, if you see the 0, and then you see the next is 1, and then you say next is 2, and then you should see the next is 3, right? But there's no 3 here. So it means when you try to summary a range, then you should just see that, oh, it should be 0 to 2. And then you see 4 and 5, and you should see 6, right? But there's no 6, so you summarize to 4 to 5. Then the 7 is alone, right? So this is what you need to return. Okay. Also this is 1, right? So we start from 0, 0 is lonely, right? But 2, 3, 4, so 2 to 4, which is very easy, right? Intuition. So 6 alone, right? 8 to 9, right? So this is the answer, right? So in order to do this, yeah, we use the two-index approach. So let me just. Okay, so if there is only one element in the numbers, just return that element. Otherwise, the answer is empty. We start from the L. So L is the left index, and R is the right index, right? Yeah, so this is a list. Okay, and we start to let this increase, right? So we just use this R. If we see some R, then we just check whether R minus 1 plus 1, the number of R is it. So if it is, then that means we should skip this and keep doing, right? So we should add R plus or we just let the R increase, right? Only one exception is that if R is already gone to the final one, then we just return the L to R, right? So basically, we try to use L to be the left index, and R to be the right index. So if it already gone to the final one, then the R should not add 1, right? Answer should just append this. Okay, else is that else means what? Else means what? This R minus 1 is not the plus 1 is not the same as R, right? So in this case, in this else case, that means this is a range, right? This is a range. Right, because this R is not the same as R minus 1 plus 1, right? So there is discontinuity here. So we should just use L to R, right? L to R. But there's a case that R minus 1 equals to L, means that that number is like the lonely one, right? So you just append L. Okay, and the exceptional case is that when R is already go to final, that means final one is a lonely one. So we just append it. And we just let R equals to L, right? Because L, every time I see a new range begin, then L need to update, and R plus and R keep do the next step. Okay, that's it. I think yeah. So intuitively this is very easy, but you just need to think carefully and check that this code actually works. Okay, I will see you guys in the next videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.